In today's video, I'll show you how to manage your Microsoft Teams account, including how to view connected devices and organizations. This is especially helpful if you want to check where your account is being used or remove access from devices you no longer recognize or use. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and look at the top right corner of the window. Just next to your profile picture, you'll see the three-dot menu. Click on it to open the options, then select Settings. This section is where you can control and customize your Teams experience. Once the Settings window opens, look to the left-hand panel. Among the available options, click on Accounts and Orgs. This area shows all the accounts and organizations currently connected to your Microsoft Teams profile. If you belong to multiple organizations or use more than one account, you'll see them all listed here, making it easy to keep everything organized. Next, to manage your account in more detail and view the devices connected to it, click the Manage button. You'll be redirected from the Teams app to the Microsoft website. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in using your Microsoft account credentials. After signing in, focus on the left side navigation menu of the Microsoft account page. Click on Devices. This section displays a complete list of all devices currently linked to your account, which is great for reviewing your account activity and security. You'll see each connected device listed on the screen. If you want more information about any device, click See Details. This will show you additional data such as the device type, the last time it was used, and its location when available. Reviewing these details helps you confirm that every device listed belongs to you. If you find a device that you no longer use or don't recognize, you can remove it right away. Just click Remove Device next to the device you want to disconnect. This will instantly sign your account out from that device, helping keep your Microsoft Teams account secure. And that's it. You've now learned how to manage your Microsoft Teams account and review all connected devices. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a comment, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next tutorial.